So here we are. We've managed to do a few things this week. Got the old door frame out because the plans were changed. It was decided to put a larger door in. We've got the washing machine sorted as we said we would by the end of Friday night. We managed to get it working up and temporary at the moment. This is the macerator where the toilet's going. Obviously we've had to get all the pipe work in and up and running. We've got a shut-off valve here, so if we need to take it off and get it serviced, that'll stop the backflow in, although there is a non-return valve inside here. But when you're servicing it, even if you disconnected this pipe work, anything that's in this pipe which gets woven through here, and if you notice we're using no bends, we like to use flexible pipe if we can. That way the wastewater tends to flow nicely. Even when we're connecting up here, we've gone from a 32 to a 40, but we're using 45 bends to create a nice sweep bend here. That'll make it all run nicely. Yeah, so we're getting there. Due to the lockdown, we're waiting for all the tiles and stuff to come. But yeah, it'll happen and we'll get it done as soon as the tiles arrive.